What's up everyone, and welcome back to this daily video. Once again, we got Solana. We're going to be having a look at Solana SOL, currently breaking out, making all-time highs as we are speaking, guys. But before that, let's dive into Bitcoin. Solana is currently exploding and Bitcoin is not. So what is happening? I usually say that altcoins follow Bitcoin. Well, this is different. Of course, it's not going to be like this on all the altcoins. Let's have a look at Bitcoin first of all. First of all, we came back above the trend, guys. The trend is your friend until it bends. Okay, so this was the trend right now. Okay, we had one touch right here, two touches, three touches, and then four touches. We broke the trend line close below. Okay, that was a false confirmation. We came back, broke above it, and now we are back in the trend. Okay, so this is why I said we're gonna have fake out sometimes. Okay, and it just happened. We had a fake out a couple days ago, came back down, and now we are back up right above the trend. Let's have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick, because I really love the EMA ribbons and I think that they're very important. Before that, we are floating right now. We did not come back all the way to 42,000. I did have a 42,000 target, and I was wrong, guys. Yes, I was wrong. Of course, I'm not always going to be correct, and this is why you have to react to the market and not predict the market, and this is why also you put your stop losses when you take a trade. Anyways, going into Bitcoin right now on the EMA ribbon, 1, 2, 3, beautiful, guys. I did mention that we could come back and see a rejection. I did say that, okay, and this is exactly what's happening right now. We came back, we saw a rejection, and boom. What are we going to do next? That's a very good question. Well, another thing that we did is we did get a rejection right here on the 200 moving average. Okay, so let's take the 9 moving average. We did get a rejection, so we are being supported right now by the 200 moving average. And ever since we broke above it, it's been a strong support essentially. Going back into the moving average on the exponential moving average on the daily time frame. Guys, this is a beautiful bounce, by the way. So if you took a long right here, that's very, very fantastic, and it is amazing. You could have done it right here, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, things are looking fantastic and beautiful. Let's have a look at the RSI a little bit. Okay, so I did mention that we were in a hidden bearish divergence. Well, it looks like things are, continuing to form a bearish divergence. We got an uptrend right here and a downtrend on the RSI. The only thing this would be invalid is if we see essentially the RSI come right above 72, and that would be invalid essentially. Because it would kill the downtrend. Let's have a look. If we take this right here, bring it down, it would be a 69, 70 approximately. So if we manage to break above, things would be good, and the bearish divergence would be getting away. Now let's have a look at SOL, guys. Should you buy SOL? Me, myself, I will not be buying into this. The price prediction could be up to $250, okay? With fibs and everything. I'm not going to get too deep into that, but let's have a short TA on this. I personally thought that we were going to come back and retest at least this support at 56, and we did not, guys. Looking at the RSI, we are overbought by a lot. We came back, peaked, got rejected right here exactly at the 70 on the RSI. For those of you guys who don't know what the RSI is, anything above 70 is overbought, so you're going to look for a sell position, and anything below 30, you're going to look for a buy position. So as you guys can see right here, we did have a peak right here at 30, and essentially we saw a nice little uptrend right here, as you guys can see, okay? Is this a good way to trade? No, I don't trade like this because it's not always like that, okay? As you guys can see right here, we had a nice little uptrend right here, and this was a nice little uptrend, but we came essentially back down, okay? So it was very, very weird. Another one right here, uptrend, downtrend. It's not always so accurate. Right here as well. So this is why it's not the best way. But where can SOL go in the near future, guys? Up 8.5% of the day. Let's have a look on the EMA ribbon. This was another beautiful bounce on the exponential moving average on the daily time frame. As you guys can see, these work very, very well. We came back, peaked, touch at the EMA ribbon on the 20 exponential moving average at 65 exactly, and had a beautiful bounce. Now assuming you bought right here with leverage, okay, that's 40% gain. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, you won't make this in the stock market. That is fantastic. Assuming you use 2x or 3x, guys, that is between 80% to 120%. That is amazing. Okay, let's have a look at the shorter time frame and see what can we do over here. So on the shorter time frame, is it possible that we come back essentially to $80 and retest? Okay, we had 3 peaks over here, 1, 2, and 3. Guys, yes, it is very, very possible. Should we put a short? No, I will not be touching this because right now we are in no trade zone. This could be manipulated, it could be not. Who knows? I won't be touching Sol. Of course, if you want a dollar cost average, you can, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we come back to this region around $67 to $80. It's gonna have to slow down at one point. The only question is when. No one knows. Of course, this is why you don't predict the market. I wouldn't be getting into this, guys. So please, if you're playing with leverage, please, it's gonna be very, very dangerous. Things are gonna get very, very aggressive soon, and we could expect a massive correction. So be careful, guys. Be careful. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.